Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Project E36 M3. So we're down here in my basement. You can kind of see. So, yep, got the windows boarded up and everything else. But I'll show you what we're working with right here. We have one part. Now, disclaimer: I ain't never done this shit before. All right, period. I've played with some vinyl wrap. This shit always has bubbles in it. Can never get it right. I literally been studying videos religiously on YouTube, so we're hoping to get it right. I got my trusty assistant playing with her phone. She's gonna help me out, and from what I hear is that you have to pull really a lot. You know what I mean? Probably more than what she could pull, but we're gonna try to work with it, at least get it laid down, and see how it comes out. So you know me, I like to try shit, you know, by myself. I did go to a shop, you know, they did quote me a really good price. I'm not going to lie to you, but it's just a little bit of satisfaction. I kind of wanted to do it myself. So, let's take a look at some of the pieces that we need right here. I'm going to flip the camera over and do whatever. See, like my assistant's doing some Instagram back there. All right, here we go. Hold on. This is the front end. Obviously, the bumper cover for the M3. What did I just do? Here's the lip right here. Pretty clean. I have a new one coming that's a little bit bigger. I don't know if I need that one on and the other one goes over it, or does that come off and the other one takes the place. I won't know until I get it in. So not quite sure what I'm going to do with that, but this is our project for tonight. You can see it's a little dusty here. I did clean it before I just put it on here, but I see that big pile of shit. So it's all over this now when I was sweeping. So we got some lights here, but we got a couple little items here. First off, let's talk about the wrap. You can clearly see it's a blue to purple color shift. This is from KPMF wraps. This is not Avery Dennison or 3M. KPMF, and it's called blue or purple blue iridescent. Okay, and a couple of things. We have our Walmart heat gun. I think I paid like 30 bucks for this. Brand new cutter here. All right. We got some little, look like putty knives, but they're so you can get under the trim. You know, this other crap. I bought those a little bit separate. Obviously a squeegee and some other sort of little different squeegee. And then it came with like 3 things of liquid. This is called Rapid Prep. This is just a cleaner to clean the surface before you do it. Another one's like a tacky thing, and then another one's like some sort of shiner thing. I don't know. I don't ever see anybody using any of this shit. They just use pretty much 70% IPA and they wipe it off. But it came in a little kit, so I'm going to use it to wipe all this off, and then we can get started. So hopefully everything goes all right, and we'll see what we get. By the way, I got all these products from Metro Restyling. It seems to be the go-to place for all your vinyl wrap decal stuff. The shop, I think, is where he was going to get the vinyl, so there was really no upcharge on the vinyl. So he just showed me where to buy it, and he even told me, you know, flat out to myself, to my face, he's like, look, anybody with a half a brain could wrap a car. Now, with that being said, yes, anybody with a half a brain can wrap it, but is it going to be, you know, professional quality? So that is what we're going to try to attempt today, and at least work with this part. Tomorrow I have the fenders, and I have the hood is about ready. I have to cut holes in the fenders because I bought fenders without the side marker hole, so I need to cut them out. Not a big deal. I got a die grinder. Should I have found, oh fuck, look at this shit. I swear, man, you can never take these things off. Those are for the whatchamacallits. Could probably slap some super glue on that one and be alright. They're for the brake dust, or the brake inlets. So, okay, anyways, let's get cranking on this thing and see what we come up with, and you can follow the progress. I'm going to time-lapse it for you, so if you see some mistakes, you're probably not going to see too many mistakes. You're not going to hear me bitching or anything like that, so I'll keep all that to a minimum, but this is what we're working with, alright? And I have a little burr right here. You see that? Hold on a second. Anyways, I'm going to get this little burr down real quick, and then I'm going to clean this up, and we'll get started. Okay, so this stuff right here, this rapid prep, I'm not a big fan of it because it leaves like a residue, like a sticky residue on there. Going back to the standard 91% isopropyl alcohol, and that seems to slide on and clean it up really nice. So let's get this thing going. Guys, we are done. It took about maybe 4 hours, but you can see we are done here. And yes, it's got some errors for my first time doing it. Like right here, you see a little bit of fraying going on here. Let me zoom in. A little bit of fraying going on there. Inside here, I had some issues. You can see I had a patch here. This right here, the fog light's going to cover up, but when you cut the hole and it shrinks, it seems like it's not big enough. So, oops, sorry. Over here, I had to add a whole nother piece over here. I don't even know if it's correct. I don't fucking know. But, on the inside here, you can clearly see this will be covered up by a fog light, so I wasn't worried about that. Over here, a little bit more fraying. Hold on a second. Alright, there we go. That's better. A little bit more fraying right over here. But not too bad. Here's the edges. I don't know, you know. And for the first time doing it, of course, these aren't air bubbles. This is dirt under the shit, or defects in the bumper cover. Like, they're all over the place. I'm sure it's dirt because you clearly see I pulled the wrap, but you know, it is what it is. But you can see the purple fade into the blue. Looks cool. But that's all we're gonna do tonight. So if you see, I'll show you here. All right, so here's what I did to the bottom. The bottom looked like shit, like right around here. You could imagine it was just all like, so I just cut it. A normal thing, so that looks way cleaner. But I did it all the way over here too, so maybe I'll put a piece of tape to seal this over here, you know, so it doesn't come up. But overall, this lip goes on right here, so I'm not sweating any imperfections that are on the bottom right there. So, and like I said, I got a new lip coming, but overall, I don't think it's that bad. You know, I mean, I'll have to wait and see what comes up in the morning time. But I don't know. You know, another error right here. You can see I patched it, but I mean, not too bad. All right, but that's my video for today, guys. Project E36 M3 is on the go. So this is the first one. Now we have the doors, the roof, the fenders, the trunk, the wing, the rear bumper cover, everything. If this took 4 hours, I can only imagine how long all that shit's gonna take. But overall, like I said, first piece we did, not the worst. That looks nice, looks nice. Maybe I'll bring it out in the sunlight later on, show you, but it's about 3 o'clock in the morning right now. But, alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos for the Project E36 M3, because the real thing is happening. I've got, I don't know, 45 parts coming for the car. Mainly just little small parts here and there that I needed, but there we go. Alright guys, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.